Good morning students. Today we are going to solve the exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Give the symmetric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable. You know that the given equation is y is equal to 3. Here y is only one variable. Here y is equal to 3. वेरिएबल में होता है जैसे x प्लस वाई. अगर ये दो अननोन नंबर हैं तो इसको टू वेरिएबल्स बोलते हैं. अगर केवल एक अननोन नंबर होगा तो इसको वन वेरिएबल बोलेंगे. इट मींस द गिवन इक्वेशन इज y is equal to 3 in one variable. The representation of y is equal to 3 on the number line is as shown below. y equal 3. तो y इक्वल 3 होगा तो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? x इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि we can write as ना ax plus by plus c equal 0. तो you can write as ना here there is no value of 0, तो इसको 0 write कर सकते हैं a into 0. It means any number is multiplied by 0 you will get 0. It means x is equal to 0 and y equal 3 ले लेंगे a 3 लाइन्स हो गए. तो a रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो गया कि द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ y is equal to 3 on the number line is as shown below. ना next in two variables. Second in two variables. अब टू वेरिएबल्स राइट करते हैं तो दिया है गिवन y is equal to 3. y is equal to 3. तो you can write as 0 into x. Why? Because here there is no value of x is given here. It means any number is multiplied by 0 you will get the 0. So 0x plus 1y plus 1y equal 3. You can write as तो in two variables the number you will get the representation of the number line is here 0 and in a y axis you will get three numbers 1 2 3. Here write 3. So there it is a parallel line. It is a parallel line. You will get a parallel line. 0 3 और x is equal to 1 2 2 लेते हैं तो ये 2 तो ये हो जाएगा 1 2 3. यहाँ पर आपको मिलेगा 2 3. It means if x is equal to 2 you will get y is equal to 3 and here a is equal to 0 3. ये यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? x की वैल्यू 0, y को हो जाएगी 3. अब 0 3 here है 0 3. Understand students? तो it is a linear equation in two variables x and y. This is represented by a line. All the values of x are permissible because 0x is always 0, because if any number is multiplied by 0 you will get the 0. Here two solutions of the given. So below write here two solutions of the equation is क्या क्या नंबर मिला है? 0 3 और 2 3 न. Thus the graph AB is parallel to x o x axis parallel to x axis and a distance of 3 units above it. Then question number 2. The given question number 2. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equal 0. Here 2x plus 9 equal 0. Question number 2. In question number 2, the equation is 2x plus 9 equal 0 as shown in equation 1 variable and 2 variable. So first of all, you have to write the given equation is given equation is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So first in one variable, x plus 9 equal 0. So then 2x is equal to minus 9. So x is equal to minus 9 by the representation of 2x plus 9 equal 0 on the number line is shown as. Now the representation of 2x plus 9 equal 0 on the number line as shown below. अब नीचे दिया है, इसका क्या करेंगे, आप ग्राफ बनाएंगे तो आप देखो -9/2 equal -4.5. It means this number is lies between 4 and 5. So write down here one scale line 0. Here write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here x is equal to -9/2. So I told you x is equal to -9/2. It means 9/2 lies between the 4 and 5. तो here 4 और 5 के बीच में नंबर होगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 4, ये हो गया 4 and half, ये हो गया 5. It means here हो जाएगा आपका कि x is equal to -4.5. You can draw a bigger lines. Understand? And here write the positive number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second, in two variables. In two variables. आपको 2 वेरिएबल्स लिखना है तो 2 अननोन नंबर होना चाहिए, तो यू कैन राइट एज 2x plus 9 equal 0. Here one variable x is given here, तो you can write as 2x, y नहीं है तो आप 0 into y कर सकते हो, 0y plus 9 equal 0. हो गया ना 2 अननोन नंबर. बट यू नो ना कि एनी नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय y or x or any number you will get 0. It is a linear equation in two variables x and y. This is represented by a line. All the values are permissible because 0 is always 0. However, 0 must satisfy the relation 2x plus 9 equal 0. So hence x is equal to -9/2. X is equal to -9/2. So here two solution. Here two solution of the given equation are two solution of the given equation are or x is equal to minus 9 by 2, then y is equal to 0, and x is equal to minus 9 by 2 y. 9 by 2, y is equal to 2. Understand students? Represent on this line. Here x axis and y axis draw करेंगे. ये 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right as, and here so on 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 right. Here right, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 etc. Here positive lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. To represent 9 by 2, the 9 by 2 is lies between the 4 minus 4 and minus 5. Here x is equal to है minus 9 by 2, यहाँ पर आपको मिल गया 9 by 2 और y इक्वल 0. तो ये यहीं पर आपकी लाइस हो जाएगी. तो आप इसके पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ऐसे. ये लिख देंगे minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2 and 0. For the second line, minus 9 by 2, here below right, minus 9 by 2 and 0. Understand students? In this way you can finish the exercise 4.4, question number 1 and 2. On the next videos you will get the next exercise. Read the lesson carefully. 5. Introduction to Euclid's geometry. Understand students? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes.